guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys this beautiful red glossy editorial makeup look. So this particular makeup look is very famous in the fashion industry. So if you are interested, then let's get started. I would be starting off with the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. So this is a very full coverage foundation. So you need to make sure that you're doing your skincare very good before you're applying this foundation. Otherwise it may cake on your face. So I am applying it with my fingers and I'm making small dots over my face, and then I will be blending it with a beauty blender. So this beauty blender is from Forever 21 and I really like this beauty blender, but the only con that it has is it soak up so much of product, and that I do not really like about it. So you really need more amount of foundation when you're using this particular sponge. Quickly moving on to the brows, I will be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Brow Kit, and this is a very good brow kit that is very good for beginners. Also, I've made a dedicated video on how I do my brows. If you haven't yet checked it out, you can go and check it out. I will be linking it in the description as well as in the I bar above. So this is an editorial makeup look and we do not want our brows to look heavy. So just lightly fill in the gaps that you have, and that's it. To contour my face, I will be using the Calc Los Angeles Contour Palette. So this is a very good palette for Indian skin tone. I feel I would be contouring on my cheekbones, my jawline as well as my forehead, and then I would be contouring a little bit on my nose. We do not want a very sharp contour. Just lightly dust the powder all over your face to give it some warmth. Then I would be using this banana shade from the same palette and set my under eyes. Just dust the product on the face and don't bake it. We do not want a very matte look today. We want a glossy look. Moving on with the most fun part of the makeup, I will be using Makeup Revolution Tammy X Tropical Carnival palette. So this is a very colorful palette. So if you're like me, then you're going to definitely love this palette. I will be using the bright red shade from the palette and just applying it on my whole lid. You do not have to maintain precision with this particular makeup today. Yeah, I'm telling you, you do not have to maintain precision. You just have to apply it on your whole lid, and then later on we can smudge it out. I will be taking the same shade and apply it on my lower lash line. Just apply it slightly and you do not have to go overboard with this color. Moving on, I would be taking this lipstick from Maybelline, and this is in the shade 210 Dare to be Red. This is a very true red color, and I would be applying it on my cheeks as well as my nose. And as you guys may know by now that I always use a lipstick as my blush, as this gives a much more natural flush to the skin. So I am applying it on my nose as well as my cheeks, and then I would be blending it with my hands. Then quickly I would be outlining my lips with this In Color lip pencil, and this is in the shade Purple. So this is a very good dark burgundy shade, and I'm just using it to line my lips, and I will not be using it to fill my lips, just to line my lips. Then using the same lipstick, that is 210 Dare to be Red, I would be filling my entire lips with that. This is a very true red shade which matches my eyeshadow very well. So this is a monochromatic look. Whatever color you're choosing for your lid, make sure you're using the same shade on your lips as well. Then quickly just curl on my lashes, and then I would move on to mascara. For the mascara today, I would be using my holy grail, that is Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara, as you guys may know by now, and this is the waterproof version. So you always get a normal version of this particular mascara, but the waterproof one gives much more volume to the lashes, and that is what we want today. Now to tie the entire look together, I would be using this gloss from Glimmers, and this is a true red gloss. I would be applying it all over my lips as well as on my lids. So this is a glossy makeup look. So you need to apply your gloss all over your lids, and that is why I told you previously that you do not have to be very precise with your eyeshadow today. After you're done with applying the gloss all over your eyelid, just move on with your fingers and blend the edges so that there is no harsh edges. I wouldn't recommend you to use a brush to blend your edges, just use your hand and you're good to go. Moving on to the very last step of the makeup, I will be using the Miss Claire Illuminator. So this is a liquid highlighter, and for this look, do not use a powder highlighter. Always go for a liquid highlighter. Just because this is a wet and glossy makeup look, a powder highlighter will look too much on the face. So just move on with a liquid highlighter. And that completes my today's editorial red glossy makeup look. You guys, this turned out so beautiful. This particular makeup look is very famous in the fashion industry, and this look has been featured in so many top magazines. And I really hope that you guys like this tutorial, and this is not really a very difficult makeup look. All of you can try this out, and if you end up trying this particular look, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use my hashtag FamJamWithPooja so that I can stalk you and I can repost all of your looks. So I hope that you guys like it, and if you like it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I come up with a new video. And you can always follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy and stay positive. I will see you guys on my next one.